wish list. Yes.
Desires are very, very, very important because spirituality and everybody around has told us not to have desires, and we have shut down our desire portal. Please open up, all of you, your desire portal. And that's why the exercise of writing 100 desires is very, very important. Never put money as the desire. What will you do of that should be the desire, because desiring of just money will actually, it's like a hoarding, right? What are you going to do with it? That should be there in the 100 desires. That don't desire 10 lakhs, don't desire 1 crore, don't desire 100 crores. What are you going to do with 100 crores? Okay, it will give you safety and security. If you have all the safety and security of the world, then what is it going to give you? Then I would love you to see deeper. Okay, has anybody prayed for petrol? I want more petrol. I want more petrol in life. You all need petrol now, but has anybody prayed for petrol? No, we never prayed for petrol, right? Why? Because गाड़ी आएगी तो petrol तो आ ही जाएगा. Similarly, when you are thinking to travel the world, when you are thinking to buy that designer pieces, when you are thinking to get that 10 carat diamond ring, money will to have to come, because this is the desire that you are putting in the world. Okay? So never,
Yes. Yes.
God will open up the portals with your desires. So that's why once the money comes to you, you decide now you want it or you don't want it. You will still have the choice. Sometimes we are very scared. What if I don't want at that point? If you don't want that cruise holiday at that point, don't do. Don't do at that point. Okay? But let money come, because that is how Lakshmi comes to you. Lakshmi comes through portals. Lakshmi comes through a desire. How many of you had any experience where you decided to buy a gold, where you decided to buy that diamond, where you decided to buy anything or that house, and it was like completely out of your reach, but somehow you got it? Even now when you think of it, you think, पता नहीं वो कैसे ले लिया था यार मैंने. Even now might be you cannot get that, but you got it at that point of time because your desire was strong. Okay, so desires do not shut down. Open the portals. यहाँ से. Okay, I can get this. So desires will actually help it to get it through. Okay, desire in the form of things, experiences. Have it in your desires. All right. The first reminder of today: rejection is redirection. Rejection is learning, and rejection is growth. Anytime you are rejected, okay, I would love you to remember this. Learning that rejection is nothing but it's a redirection. It's just redirecting you to something better. It's just redirecting you to something newer. It's just redirecting you to something you need to change. It's redirecting that I need to learn something better. There is some learning that I'm not doing actually. So rejection is learning and rejection is growth. And every time you will take that rejection, that okay, what am I learning? You are actually going up and you are growing up. So never take rejection personal. No rejection is personal. Okay, I remember when I grew up in our sales, I have a sales coach. Now the sales coach teaches after every 9 no's there will be 1 no coming. So am I disappointed with the 9 no's? I'm not, because I know my figure, right? 9 no's are going to come for the 10th. Yes. So when you have that figure very, very clear in your head, you are never disappointed. You exactly know SW, 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 SW. Someone will, someone won't. So what? Someone is waiting. Okay? Someone will, someone will not. So what? There is somebody who is waiting exactly for what you have. Completely waiting for exactly the skill that you have. The employer exactly waiting somebody like Kajal. The film director exactly waiting somebody like Anuradha. Okay? So there is somebody waiting exactly for who you are. Exactly that. So don't worry about it. So rejection is growth, rejection is redirection, and redirection is learning. Just remember that. Second reminder, the events of the day are not the causes, they are effects. Very, very important to know and understand. So every time something is not happening good and you are about to blame the person, you are about to blame the event, you are about to blame the circumstances, you are about to blame the destiny, just know that this is not the cause, they are the effects of all the past thoughts that I have created for this person, all the past things that was there in my head. All right, it's fine. Okay, I am responsible. That's completely fine. That means I can change it also. I am responsible doesn't mean you go in guilt. Oh, मेरी वजह से सब कुछ हुआ है. I don't want you to be there. I would love you to be okay. If my thoughts are deciding my destiny, I will choose new thoughts. And because I will choose new thoughts from today itself, I know my destiny will be different. So the events of the day are not the causes, they are effects. I remember a beautiful story with this. So there was a man sitting under a tree. And he went under the tree and he was like, oh my God, it's nobody is here, but I really wanted to eat something. Okay, and an apple came down from the tree. Okay, the person ate the apple and finally he felt better. Then he said, oh, actually I really wanted a pillow to sleep because I'm very, very tired. And suddenly he saw a pillow. As he moved, he saw a pillow there near the tree. Okay, he just slept there. And then he woke up after a time and then he said, okay, I now want to eat lunch, the Chappan Bhog lunch. What if I got this? But lekin yahan jungle mein kahan hi milega. Then he saw there was a thali with all the Chappan Bhog, 56 items there on that plate. And he ate it and then he saw, oh my God, how is it happening? Then he was really scared because till now it was fine. Apple and takiya, okay, fine, pillow, somebody might have left it. But now when that whole thali came, he got very, very scared and he said, oh my God, I am very scared. Is there a ghost? A ghost came. And when the ghost came, he said, oh my God, I am very scared. Will the ghost eat me? The ghost actually ate him up. That is how your thoughts are working. He was sitting under a kalpavriksha where every single thought that he was creating was actually working for him. I would love you to remember this story really very precisely because we are creating all the amazing thoughts. We are also creating the ghost thoughts and the ghosts are actually coming and eating us up. And then we are thinking, how has this happened? This has happened because I have created. It's okay. It's okay. Thank God it is not happening like this. God has given us the margin to improve. The events of the day are not the causes, they are effects. They are effects. They are just telling me something. I need to maybe work deeper. Maybe I need to really go deep. Maybe I need to now work on this really seriously that I'm taking for granted. It's just the cause. Focus on new money instead of chasing old and stuck money. So actually there was an event and I always take advance, but in this event, all the great, amazing, like the top people were involved, like the IAS and all the government officials were involved, and they said that the money takes us little time to actually come because in the government projects it takes a little bit time. So we will not be able to give it in the start, we will give it after. And I was like so sure, like all the amazing, great people are involved. So I was not worried about it. I said, yes, this will be the first time and I'll not be taking the money in advance. I'm okay taking it after this. The money has not come till now, right? And it has been 3 years. And the first 5 months, I was very, very disturbed thinking about why they haven't done, why they haven't paid. I will put it on LinkedIn. I will just message them. I will put them and I will do this. I'll do that. I'll do like, it was a huge amount, right? It was not a small amount. So I was like, okay, they said, okay, it will take 60 days, 70 days, 80 days. They kept on passing. And then a huge, like a timeline, like 3 years is now gone by. And they have not done it till now. But till the time I kept focusing my focus there, I kept losing money from all the sides. Are you getting me? I would love you not to focus on stuck money. Stop focusing on stuck money. Somebody has taken it. Somebody has not given it back. Money is an energy. It will come to you from any of the sides. Just take the learning. Like my learning was no matter who it is, first take it, then do it, right? No matter who it is. That was my learning because it was a huge amount and I put in all the efforts, right? That was my learning. No matter, even if you love the person, even if the person is the prime minister, you don't do that, okay? Because when you put up the effort, it doesn't happen. It's like, oh my God, I've done so much. So I don't want to be in that feeling. So that was my learning. And till the time I stopped focusing there, the money stopped coming from all the sides. So I would love you and encourage you not to focus on stuck money. Focus on new money energy. New money energy. Your bonus is stuck, it's okay. Let it be stuck. Money will come from all the sides, from different sides, right? Because you'll be surprised how actually money can come. You'll be very, very surprised in the ways it can come. I'll give you one more example. It's a different example. We were actually doing shopping for my second sister. Her marriage was there, and we were doing shopping, and we were buying this gold set, the whole set, which is complete set, a good, beautiful one. And I was looking at that, and I was really wondering in my head, I never got that in my marriage, and now when we are doing this for my sister, I was happy for her, but kind of like I was having that feeling inside that I have not got it. And I was like, I really want it, and I wrote it. I came back and I wrote it in my desire list. I also want that exactly same kind of necklace which was there. I got a necklace, but that was a very old design necklace because it was obviously 12 years back. I got married 12 years back. So it was a very old kind of design which everybody has. And this was a very new design kind of, it's something which temple necklace that is there, which I really love. So I was like, I really want this. I came back, I wrote it in my desire. Okay, I don't want to feel anything. This is something which I really want. We went for the 4th or 5th day, and my Bua looked at me and said, I never gave you anything on your marriage. You also buy one set along with her. And I was like, really? And I was so happy about it because that was one of my desires that I came. And so money can come unexpected ways if you are really open to receive. Okay? Because my marriage like 12 years back, why will she think of me? And she was like, no, and she has given me. It's not that she hasn't given me anything. She had given me. But she was like, she might be feeling the exact thought that I created, that I have not got like this one, right? And she exactly gave me 8 lakhs of necklace. Who gives? And I was like looking at her and I was like, really? Should I also buy this? You also get one. And I was like, wow, really? So it can just come in any ways. You don't have to worry about how, but only when you are not focusing on stuck money, focus on new money. Ready to focus on new money, all of you? New money.
Yes.
Perfect. 4th reminder. For belief still needing work, ask for self. Oh, this is this is the universe. I'll share with you. Okay, XY programming and the terror barrier. Okay. So take a paper, all of you. So there is a programming that is there in our head till whatever age you are. Okay. So 50, 60, 30, 40, whatever is your age, there is a particular programming that you are carrying. So this computer has a particular programming that is done automatically. That programming is the X programming. Let me show you. I would love all of you to understand this properly. So this is the X programming. Everything that you have heard from your childhood, everything that was there told by your parents, everything that you heard from here and there videos, everything that you heard from books, everything that you heard from your friends experiences, from your experiences, right? From people around experiences, correct? So the experiences that we are discussing right now in the class, we don't hear these experiences generally. We hear which kind of experiences? Negative, obviously, right? Most of the people will sit together and talk about what has went wrong in their life because they think kahin nazar na lag jaye. So let me not talk about the good experiences. Let me talk about all the negative things. So all the experiences, all the beliefs that is there. All of that is the X programming that's there here, right? Got it, all of you? That is my X programming. Let's call it X programming. Now, once you start taking up a new class, for this, for example, we are taking up here a new session, a new mindset. So when you will keep training your brain with all the new things, with all the new experiences, with all the new programming, with all the new beliefs, with all the new thoughts that we are creating here. Every single day we are working on our thoughts. Every single day we are working on our beliefs. Every single day we are changing your belief system through different stories, right? Some from my life, some from somebody else's life. So with all of the things that we are doing here, the work every single day, every single day, every single day, you reach a place which is known as terror barrier. What is terror barrier? Where you have this new information, but it is not showing up outside. Okay? Some people might be there, some people might have crossed. So in the terror barrier, you have all the information, but for some reason it is not showing in your life. Okay? You are doing all the work that's needed. You are working on it every single day, but maybe the outside life is not reflecting it. Correct? You know that you are doing exactly every single thing that should be done, but it's not showing up. Now, this is where it is known as, it's a thin line between X programming and Y programming, where you become very scared and you are like, I'm not sure, will it work? Anybody experience it? I'm not sure that all of this really works. All of these affirmation, visualization, the healing work and every single work that I'm doing, I'm not sure it really works, because you are losing faith now. Can you see that it's a terror zone where you feel really terrified? Yeah, am I going in the right path? Am I in the right journey? So you'll feel really terrified at that point. So that is known as terror barrier. Now, once you overcome the terror barrier, once you have crossed that terror barrier, then you reach where X programming is not dominating you. The Y programming that you have done over the years is now dominating you. So now the Y programming is dominating rather than X programming, because you have done it so many times that now there is no terror of, I don't know, will it happen, because it's a normal part of your life. So all the new beliefs are actually, your maximum part, are occupying the maximum part of your brain, and all the old beliefs are really taking a very small part of your brain. So the old beliefs were taking most of the parts. Old beliefs were here, but you keep walking, and this was old belief, right? And this is where new belief was. Because it was a new idea that you are introducing, right? And it's feeling like it's a terror for your brain, because it's not very recognizable that what is this? We don't know this, we don't know this, we don't know this. So your brain is fighting against it. It's not the truth, it's not the truth, it's not the truth. You keep doing it and you cross the terror barrier where you are feeling, I don't know, will it work? I'm not sure, does it work? All of that, you go to enter a new miraculous zone. This zone, I call it miraculous zone, where all of this that you are creating in your head is your reality outside also. But you have to cross the terror barrier part. All of you got it? Any doubts? This is something I would love you to draw in your mind, in your notebook also, to remember this very, very clearly, that you are just introducing a new idea. How can we expect that it should just happen right now? It's like a new family member has came to your house. Somebody is a daughter-in-law has came to your house right now, today itself. You are not going to accept it fully and completely. Or you went to a new house and you will treat your new house as your old house in one day. Will you do that? Yeah, wow, what a good example. Yes. Will you treat your new house, your new mom and dad, exactly as your old mom and dad on first day? Will you do that? Even if you try from outside giving new beliefs, but it will be difficult for you, right? Till the time you will cross the terror barrier where your terror part is saying, don't do this. It's not the truth. They are never your mom and dad. They will not be able to take care of you, all of that. You cross the terror barrier. You keep introducing the new beliefs by the new experiences that they are giving you, by the new things that they are saying to you, by all the beautiful experiences they are putting in this new beliefs. This new belief will increase and this will become your life. Are you getting me? It will depend on what are the information they are putting up. And the opposite is also true. If you keep investing in your old beliefs and they are also putting a thappa, no, we don't consider that daughter-in-law and daughters are same. So they are reinforcing your old beliefs. It will never happen. This change will never happen, right? This change can only happen when there's new experience, when there is new things that is getting introduced in your new beliefs. So remember this, never it will happen like a very quick process. You'll be able to see this change where it will keep on increasing. Little bit of change you will keep seeing. But when you are on it, you keep doing it, you will be seeing a huge shift. Got it, all of you? Little bit difficult to understand, but I hope all of you are intelligent enough to get it. Right? Got this? So very, very important. So whenever terror barrier will come in your life, you know that you are just one step away from the miraculous. One step away. There is one decision, one thing you need to do to get into this new vibe programming zone. If you got that, just say got that. Right? All right. Let me go ahead. Future pacing. Wow, one of a very, very favorite technique of mine that I would pass on to all of you. What is future pacing? Every Monday, what you need to do is, I would love you to see what your week will be. Every Monday, I would love you to see what your week will be, and I would love you to imagine that week beforehand. For example, in this week you are going for a holiday. So what can you future pace? You can future pace, wow, what a week full of beautiful memories I had with my family. Wow, what a week full of beautiful memories I had with my friends. You are going, in this week, you know it's a very, it's a work week. You have to work a lot, right? Correct? What can you future pace? What do you want? What is the result that you want? Maybe you want the result that everybody appreciates you in the office, everybody notices what you have done. So maybe that is your expectation. Wow, what a week full of appreciation I had. Wow, what a week full of appreciation I had. You are in sales. Wow, what a week full of sales I had. You are in a service business. Wow, what a week full of clients I had. Depending on what you want, rather than the week to go as it is, you are already future pacing in your mind how you want the week to go. Very, very, very powerful, right? That means either on Sunday night or on the Monday morning, you are going to sit 10 minutes or 15 minutes with this new future pacing thought. Install it in your system. Okay, install that in your system. And then I do one more beautiful step. I create various wallpaper. I go to ChatGPT and I just tell ChatGPT, this is my prompt, create a beautiful wallpaper for my iPhone cover. It will create a beautiful iPhone cover and I will put it as my wallpaper on my phone. Let me tell you in steps. First step, decide how you want your week to go, right? Let me write it for all of you. Write down the format that you will use. Wow, what a week. So you're already in gratitude mood. You're not in a stressed mood. Ye week ke pata nahi kya hona hai. Right? Wow, what a week full of whatever you want to put in. I had. It should be small actually. I don't want it to be long. I use only this much. Wow, what a week. Wow, it has gratitude and happiness and everything there, right? So, wow, what a week full of dash I had. In dash, whatever you want to add up. Okay, so all of you, let's future pace today itself. So, for this week completely, I would love you to think of what is the future pace that you would love to have in this week. So think of all of you for 1 minute, and then I'll ask all of you, what have you thought of? So future pace your week, how you want your week to be. Think about it, take a minute. Give multiple examples so that you are able to do it every Monday. Okay. All of you got your future pacing? Tell me, all of you, one line. What's yours? So be in that gratitude mode. Stop sharing. Yeah. So I would love all of you to just fold your hand and say that. Wow, what a week full of dash. Single one word. It should be very, very focused. I don't want it to be, I want 1,000 things this week only. अगला वीक भी आएगा. ठीक है, अगले वीक मांग लेना जो भी चाहिए. This week only one thing. Okay, only one word. Only one word. So, okay, let's start. So, unmute yourself and then speak. And I would love all of you to be in that. Close your hands together, and all of you be in that. And one by one, each one of you will say, anybody can say. Just unmute all of you, and then anybody can say. Wow, what a week.
Wow, what a week.
Wow.
Full of what?
Full of enjoy and masti with family time in Durga Puja vacation.
Wow, what a week full of
Joy and masti.
joy and masti I had. Love that. Write down. Wow, what a week full of joy and masti I had with my family. Wow.
Wow, what a week full of joy. I select for conclave.
Again. Wow, what a week full of
Wow, what a week full of joy. I select for conclave. Full of joy. I select for conclave. Yes.
I select for confidence.
कॉन्क्लेव है मैम एक कॉन्क्लेव में जाना है मुझे
Oh, conclave, you want to get selected. Oh, wow. Okay, okay.
yes yes business yes
Wow, what
Yes.
a week.
full of joy
Full of joy meeting new people at conclave. Wow, what a week. Full of joy meeting new people at conclave. Write down the experience. Wow, what a week full of joy meeting amazing people at conclave. Wow, what a week full of joy meeting amazing people at conclave. Next.
Wow, what a week full of celebrations.
Wow, what a week full of celebrations. And wow, what a week full of celebrations and fun I had. Okay, at the end, I would love all of you to add. I had means it's a past experience. You already are in Barbados, right? You already flew to Barbados. So, wow, what a week full of celebrations and fun and joy I had. Next. Everybody
Okay,
has.
I'll go next. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Wow, what a week full of fun and enjoyment. With my trip with friends this weekend.
Oh, all of you are going for trip this week. Great. All right. Beautiful. So wow, what a week full of enjoyment and memories I had with my friends
In the mountains.
on the mountains. Great. So whatever you want from that trip, I would love you to include it as it has already happened. Maybe you want peace. What a peaceful and wow, what a peaceful week I had with my friends. Wow, what a week full of new experiences I had with my friends. Wow, what a week full of beautiful, beautiful new memories I had with my friends. Wow, what a week where every single second I enjoyed. Okay? Your wish. Yes. Anuradha.
Wow, what a uh, week. I focused on my career more.
Wow, what a week full of new career opportunities I had. Because whatever is the result I want, that is where I would love you to focus. Huh? I want the result. So, wow, what a week full of new career opportunities I had. Write down that. Wow, what a week full of magical new career opportunities I had. Add that. ठीक है कि अरे ये यहाँ से कैसे आया? That should be your this. Archana.
Wow, what a beautiful week full of blessing, abundance, and opportunity I have.
Wow, what a beautiful week of blessings and opportunities I had. Beautiful, perfect. Great. So, all of you, I would love you to make this as your mobile cover. Go to ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT. ChatGPT creates some beautiful covers. I'll show you what it has created. Can you see? Wow, what a week full of miracles and godly surprises I had. I have actually in one of the weeks. Okay, this was my wow, what a week full of miracles and godly surprises I had. So just be creative with whatever you want. One more I'll show you. There was a lot of work that I had to do. So wow, what a week. What a successful week it was. So a lot of works I've added every single thing. I give ChatGPT like my employee every single instruction that I have. And then it just does its work so beautifully. Then the week I had went out. Wow, what a week full of surprising miracles, fun, and full of opportunities I had. Okay, so wow, what a week full of surprising miracles and full of opportunities I had. Then my husband isn't completely in sales, so this is his all the time. Wow, what a week full of sales I had because he's in sales. So I had made this with a boy background. So this is his. This is mine. I serve. Wow, what a week where I serve with my soul and I earn with ease. This is my completely where I love to serve with complete soul, no brain, and I love to. So anything. Okay, anything that you really associate with, create a beautiful image and go with that. All right. Let me go ahead. Arigato money. Every time you are receiving money, treat money beautifully. Don't let money lie down. ठीक है, किसी ने दिया छोड़ दिया वहीं पे, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक है. Or even if somebody gives you money, I would love you to really appreciate and respect money like it's a very important thing. Respect it. Okay? So somebody gave you change, you are paying somebody, you are receiving from someone. Don't have that jig energy while exchanging money. There should be no jig. Okay? Either you are buying or you are not buying. No jig is there around it. नहीं 2 रुपए कम, 5 रुपए कम. You are not doing that. You are ready to attract abundance. You can't be where it's a lack energy. So no jig. Okay, so completely be in that gratitude whenever you are receiving money. You can just have one line around it. Every time you are receiving money, I will love you to say arigato money. I'm so thankful to receive this. I appreciate this. Arigato money. I'm so thankful to receive it and I appreciate it. And whenever you give money, I'm so grateful that I have money to give this. I'm so grateful I have money to spend on this. I'm so grateful that I'm so lucky that I have money to spend on the luxuries. I'm so grateful that I have money to spend on just. In Meghalaya, there is a beautiful naturopathy center. I love to go every year, monthly, like every year once. It's a 15 days thing where they will do naturopathy, panchkarma, every single thing that you can think of. So it's a diet they are going to give you. I would love you to associate and think of all of those luxuries. If I go a few years back, all of those was also a dream for me. It looks like sabhi log thodi karte hain. This is for like a very, very elite kind of people. No, you just need to invite those in your life. You just need to invite those. It will come. Petrol will come. Are you ready? Petrol is going to come. Okay? Are you ready? My sister is getting married in Rishikesh, so we went little bit earlier so that I can have all of those things in Rishikesh. Rishikesh is also full of where there are yoga centers, meditation, panchkarma, all rich in our culture. Rishikesh is also full of that, where you can get that. Okay, so we went to see which resort will she get married. So we were just doing that. In November, her marriage is the third one. We are 3 sisters. Final. So I would love you to really open yourself to those experiences. And had I paid for that? No, my father has paid. We just went. Are you getting me? Some days, so how will it come? Even you will be surprised. It can just come. Are you open to it? That's the Sometimes it will be from you, it will be from side, it will be sponsorship, it will be collaborations. You don't know how will it come.
Can I share one my experience?
Yes, please tell.
ये पंचकर्मा का जो इनका हरिद्वार में आप जो बता रहे हैं बाबा रामदेव का, तो इनका हिम्स करके भी जो है, तो हिम्स से मुझे कॉल आया कि मैम वी वांट टू मीट यू. तो मैं वहां गई. उन्होंने कुछ बहुत एक्सपेंसिव उनका पूरा कोर्स था. जस्ट फॉर प्रमोशन दे गिफ्टेड मी कि आपको हम ये पूरा वो करेंगे. एंड आई एक्सपीरियंस वो थेरेपी इज वेरी गुड. मतलब इतना अलग डिफरेंट उनका था और मैंने उनका प्रमोशन किया और वो फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट था मेरे लिए.
That is what it is. That is how the universe is working all the time. Are you ready to receive? Are you ready to be in the miraculous zone, or are you in the all of this doesn't work? I want to do and work hard and struggle and okay, your choice.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I say something.
Yes.
मैं अपना जो रील्स वगैरह बनाती हूँ तो मैं अपने को रिवील करके और अपनी आवाज में बनाती हूँ. तो कल मुझे भी एक ऑफर आया कि मतलब आपकी ही वॉइस में हमारे लिए रील क्रिएट करो.
And you were saying कि आ नहीं रहा है मैम. Good, very good. Love that.
आपकी आवाज बहुत अच्छी है तो आपकी आवाज में रील क्रिएट करके दो.
I'm so happy. Great. So lovely to hear all of this because it's so beautiful when all of you get results. That's the most beautiful part of my life. Okay, so every time you're receiving money, every time you're receiving an opportunity, every time you're receiving something, bow your head down, fold your hand and say thank you. Okay? Be the most grateful person on this universe. And you will be the most blessed person on this universe. Be the most grateful person on this universe and you'll be the most blessed person on this universe. because God is watching. He's just thinking and seeing कि I have given so much and there is nothing, so what more I'll give. जितना भी दे दूँ इसको तो कदर नहीं होगी, leave it. When God should watch you, God should feel you, इसको दो. Okay, so every single day be in gratitude. Deep, deep, deep gratitude. One exercise that you cannot miss is writing down your gratitude list, and you know it if you have done any of that. You cannot miss that. Attitudes of spending. What can be different attitudes of spending that you can adopt? Do we have time? Yes, we have. All right. When someone asks you, okay, this is. I would love all of you to take your notebook. Do we have time? Yes. I'll give you 2 minutes. And I would love you to write down your old way of working when someone asks you for money. Your old way before these 21 days challenge. Okay? Your old way of thinking when somebody called you and asked for money. What used to be your attitude? When kids ask you to buy something very expensive, I want to get this motorbike, I want to get this, whatever. When financially planning with your family, you are planning for a vacation in Maldives, you are planning for a retreat, you are planning for anything, like you are planning for health insurance, you are planning for saving, you are planning to spend on a wedding, on a dress, anything extravagant you are doing. When you are financially planning with your family, what are you talking about it? What is your words that's coming out? When others are talking about the bad state of affairs, government is bad, weather is not good, planet is declining, and all of that, what is your old way of reacting to these scenes? I'll give you 3 minutes. I would love you to write for each scene. Be very honest, very, very honest, and write down your old way of talking about money to others. And every time, just do this and then I'll tell you about that. Remind me that. What is your attitude when somebody asks you for money? When kids ask you to buy something?
Ma'am, please explain the last point.
When others are कोई दूसरे बात कर रहे हैं कि financial situation is so bad, my particular financial situation is going very bad, इतना loss हो गया, इतना ये हो गया, business is not going well, all of the negative state of affairs about government, about policies, about people, या लोगों के बारे में, या money के बारे में, ठीक है? They are talking about money, like nowadays the rich people think of themselves as if they are whatever, XYZ. When they are talking about people, money, richness, इसके बारे में जब दूसरे लोग कुछ all the bad state of affairs को discuss कर रहे हैं, what is your attitude? Old way, not the new way. अभी पहले old way को recognize करते हैं, not what you have learned now. All right. All of you got it? Something for each. If you got it, just show me yes. Got it. Yes. Yes. Beautiful. All right. Every time, I would love you to notice now, you will speak one line ill about money. You will say that, oh, I cannot afford this much. Okay, your kids asked for something, हम इतना afford नहीं कर सकते. Correct? When financially you're planning with your family and your family asks you, oh, I want to get that particular diamond ring and I want to fly there and that, and you say, पुलाव क्या बोलते हैं उसको, that we cannot do this, or it's too much, we cannot afford that, it's just so much. When others are talking about the bad state of affairs and you are also like, yes, obviously, yes, really it's going very bad and all of that, right? You will notice now that every time you will speak about money to others in any of the scenarios, anything negative, you will block money within 24 hours. Within 24 hours, you will see a blockage. Something was about to come, it will not come. Okay? That is how powerful it is. You will see that it will be a block and you will realize why has it happened. Now you will be knowing why. Every time you speak by mistake, I would love you to just say, I'm sorry, this is not my belief, and change it. I'm sorry, this is not my belief, and just give the new belief that you want to share across. I very consciously take care that never in my life, I don't know if I have spoken, but I take care at least, that I never say, this is too much, I cannot afford it. This is too much. And I would encourage each one of you to never say that. I cannot afford it, it is too much. What is too much? For the same amount is a little amount for some people, and the same amount is too much for some people. Where do you want to belong? Right? So nothing is too much. I would love you to have a very new attitude now around money. Have a very fresh attitude around money when you are experiencing money, when you are giving money, when you are taking money, when you are having money as an experience in your life. A hotel room is costing 50,000. You don't want to stay, it's okay. But don't say, oh, ये तो बहुत expensive है. If it is too expensive, why somebody is choosing to stay there? कुछ तो होगा ना. Why somebody is choosing to stay there? Why somebody is actually putting up money to put 150,000 for one room, 1.5 lakhs for one room? Why? For a hotel? Why? Why are they doing it? There might be something. I choose to do that or I don't choose to do that. It's a very different approach. In my head, what's going on? It's very, very important, right? Now we will change that old attitude with the new attitude of allowing the money to come rather than disallowing the money to come, right? Normally what we do is disallow. No, ये हमारे लिए नहीं है. नहीं, ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. That means ये हमारे लिए नहीं है. It will never come in your experience. I would love you to experience a full life, complete life, okay? And trust me, once you go there, once you actually put yourself there, you are able to experience that full life. It will happen miraculously in a way you will be really surprised. Okay, so what can be the attitudes? First attitude that you can adopt. If you are having multiple crores in the bank account and you have to make a purchase, how will be your attitude? Nothing, right? If you are buying a 2,000 ka t-shirt and you are having multiple crores in your account, how are you feeling about it? You are feeling choti si cheez, right? It's not feeling also anything. It's not creating any feeling also in your head, correct? So whenever you are spending money, I would love you to visualize a huge bank account, and you can use this attitude. I'm giving you multiple attitudes. Use any of that suits you. I appreciate having large sums of money to be able to easily make this purchase. I appreciate having large sums of money to be able to easily make this purchase. Easy. Very easy in your head. So this is one attitude that you can adopt. Okay, I'll give you multiple attitudes. You choose. Got it, all of you? I appreciate having all of you speak once. I appreciate having large sums of money
Lots of money
to
to
be
Appreciate
be
having large sums of money.
to be able to easily
But
make this purchase.
to be able to easily make this purchase.
Easy, right? You're looking at flight tickets and you're, oh my god, 48,000 one side. Okay, change it. All right. I appreciate having large sums of money to be easily able to make this purchase, right?
So, one.
Yeah, well, पानी पूरी अभी खाएगी.
Second attitude that you can adopt, please bless them and multiply and rush back. So you are buying something, you are giving it to your event manager, you are giving to a decorator, I'm just telling all these examples because we are giving to all of them. We are giving to decorator, you are giving to photographer, you are giving to event organizer, dancers, anchors, all of them. Rather than saying, oh my god, so much, and nowadays it will feel like so much, I would love you to simply say, please God, go and really bless them, do amazing things in their life, and then multiply and rush back to me. Please bless them, do amazing. Because see, I have taken 5 rupees and I gave that 5 rupees to Dr. Lalan for medicine. Okay, I wanted a medicine, I gave 5 rupees to Dr. Lalan for the medicine. I got the medicine, I'm cured, right? I'm done. My 5 rupees is actually used because I'm cured now. Dr. Lalan used that 5 rupees and Dr. Lalan gave that 5 rupees to Kanchan because he needed a face pack for his wife. He gave that face pack to his wife. His wife is also very happy and Kanchan is also very happy. He has got one 5 rupees. 5 rupees he has got. Now Kanchan took that 5 rupees and gave it to Kajal. Kajal took that. So the same money can actually help all of you. Are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Same 5 rupees. It just went, it's a rotation happening, right? So I would love you to have this. It's never spending because it is never getting spent. It is always coming to you back. Only if you are spending with the right energy. Please bless them and multiply and rush back to me.
So you mean you are still investing them?
Yes, absolutely true. That means you are still investing them. You are not spending.
The feeling is investment.
Feeling
Yeah.
is investment, true. And then whenever there's a feeling of investment, you actually get the return back.
Yeah.
So have
More
that return back.
multiplying.
Multiply. It will multiply, and actually, you invest in a course, just say it will just multiply this like this.
Yeah.
You invest in a dress, you said just say it will multiply the way I look. You invest in a makeup item, you just say, oh my god, I'm just going to have a investing approach rather than this. Right? So this can be the second attitude that you can have while spending. Third attitude that I love to adopt is, as soon as you are giving, I would just close my eyes and I will see that I'm giving 100 rupees and I will see multiple hundreds coming back to me like a whole. Have you seen Mummy movie? Mummy, English version Mummy movie where there are a lot of insects, chota chota, where the whole insects come, right? I'm giving a very random example, but I would love you to imagine that rush coming up to you like that only. Okay, where you are giving that 100, but rather than giving, your attitude is it's coming, because nothing can come until you give. Why we give in temples? Why do you think that tradition might be? God needs your money. God needs your money. Really? He is only giving everything. He needs you.
Yes.
There's a reason, right? Because until there's an exchange, it will not work. So it's an exchange of energy so that he can give you a lot. Okay, so I would love you to really have that in your mind. All right, so this much is enough. Just have this and we will continue from here. I hope I'll be able to complete it. Yeah, we'll be able to do it. Okay. All right. Got it. Great. What is one takeaway, all of you, from today's session? Quickly, all of you tell me. I'll just take one by one. Yes, Archana, what's your takeaway from today's session?
Just 1 minute.
Yes, take 1 minute. Gitanjali, what's your takeaway from today's session? Or from the session still now, you can have any. What's your takeaway? This I will remember. This is changed now in me. The DNA is only changed completely. What's your takeaway in that? One of the takeaways.
The most important that today I felt was that change your money belief, like towards money, what we think, the attitude that we have, that, while giving money to somebody, we think twice. यार ये इसको दे रहे हैं, कितना मेरा जा रहा है, that.
Yeah,
but now we must have the feeling that whatever I'm giving, that energy that I'm giving, I'm going to get it in multiple folds. So, yes. So, thanking God and even blessing the other person, we must always give it a positive energy so it comes back to us.
True.
Multiplied.
Perfect. Beautiful takeaway. Love that.
Yes, ma'am. मैम पहले जो आपने बताया ना कि हम स्टक हो जाते हैं कि मैं मतलब वहां हूं नहीं तो मैं वो बोलूं कैसे। जैसे मैंने एक रील देखी आज सुबह जिसमें वो बोला था जब मैं वहां पहुंचूंगा तो मेरे ये वर्ड्स होंगे, बट आई थिंक मैं कैसे बोलूं ये, मैं वहां पहुंचूंगी कि नहीं पता नहीं, मैं कैसे पहुंचूंगी वो मेरे को बहुत स्टक करती हैं ये बातें कि मैं कैसे वहां पहुंचूंगी, मतलब तो मैं बोलूं कैसे मैं उसको बोल भी नहीं पाती, बोलूं कैसे।
करेक्ट, रेजिस्टेंस है। तो
yes, yes.
तो आप ये क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हो मुझसे?
यस, क्वेश्चन एंड टुडे आई लर्न इट कि बोलो होगा, ऑटोमेटिकली होगा, बट हम डर जाते हैं, पहले ही डर जाते हैं कि नहीं होगा।
आपको पता है अंदर में तक कैसे पहुंची जीवन में? आप जहां भी हो अपने जीवन में, आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंची? सब कुछ आपको पता था 100% कि मैं ऐसे पहुंचूंगी, ऐसे मेरा घर होगा, ऐसे XYZ होगा, ऐसे सब कुछ होगा। आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुंचे? इसमें किसी का और का हाथ है आपके अलावा? आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपके अलावा किसी और का भी हाथ है? आपसे ऊपर भी कोई है जिसका हाथ है या नहीं है ना? तो आगे क्यों नहीं? जब 60 इयर्स, आपकी एज क्या है कंचन जी?
56।
अगर 56 इयर्स तक उसने साथ दिया तो क्या बोलेगा? अब आगे नहीं दूंगा, बस आगे तुम खुद ही कर लो अगर उसने यहाँ तक पहुंचाया, आगे भी पहुंचाएगा, राइट? लेकिन अपना एक्शन करना है। There are few things I need to do, there are few things God needs to do. Both needs to do our work. You have to sow the seed, you can't grow the trees, right? You can't grow करना तुम्हारे हाथ में, लेकिन sow करना, फर्टिलाइजर डालना, पानी डालना मेरा काम। That's my work. Okay? So I would love you to see that like this कि मैं बस बैठी रहूंगी और बोलूंगी बस हो जाए। It will not happen. If you are sowing the seed, putting the water, putting the fertilizer, you owe to the God कि I have done my work, God, now you see. You better do your work, please. मैंने अपना काम सब कुछ कर लिया है, तो you take that risk, you go and put that effort, and then he will do his work. जब हम ही डर रहे हैं, हम ही अपना काम नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम ही डाउट कर रहे हैं, then obviously that doubt will actually manifest, right? Because the doubt is their energy that we are doubting, है ना? कैसे आ भी रहा है तो just write down what are the multiple ways to reach there. Google on YouTube and get it once. अगर ये बहुत ज्यादा आ रहा है तो just YouTube पे 5 दिन, 10 दिन, 15 दिन, 20 दिन देख ही लो कि क्या क्या तरीका है भाई, and just write down ताकि आपके मन को तसल्ली मिल जाए, है भाई बहुत सारे तरीके, right? Get that. So write it everything कि हाँ there are multiple ways, now it can come from anywhere. Know the multiple ways because knowledge is power. Once you get the knowledge, तो ऐसे भी आपको लगेगा हाँ there are multiple ways, correct? So get that multiple ways also, that may also help. ठीक है? Okay. Yes, काजल.
मैम द क्वेश्चन इज कि वो जैसे अभी मैम बोल रहे हैं ना, आई फील कि वो कहीं ना सिचुएशन जो फेस करते हैं वहां तक हो रहे हैं तो हाउ कम ओवर द फियर और वो जो स्टकनेस है वो कैसे उससे बाहर निकले?
वर्क on deeper healing. Work on deeper healing. All the past traumas need, एक एक थ्रेड को नहीं बोलते, सुलझाना पड़ता है. ये वाला थ्रेड यहाँ अटका हुआ है, इसको भी ठीक किया. अब ये वाला थ्रेड यहाँ अटका हुआ था, इसको भी ठीक किया. So सुलझाना. That's why the deeper work is needed, ना? Where you just take one thread and इसको सुलझा रहे हो. कि this वाला experience is actually there in my head and this is actually creating me trouble every single time. भाई इस चीज़ को 5 साल हो गए, 10 साल हो गए, अभी भी मैं इसके बारे में सोच रही हूँ. क्यों नहीं सोचोगे? क्योंकि आपने उसके ऊपर नहीं काम किया है. एंड वी आर थिंकिंग वन डे मैजिकली कुछ हो जाएगा. इट विल नॉट. यू बी विद दैट एज मच टाइम यू वॉन्ट टू बी विद, बट टिल द टाइम यू आर रेडी टू वर्क ऑन. जैसे एक सिस्ट है बॉडी में, निकलवाना तो पड़ेगा ना, ऑपरेट करवा के सिस्ट. जाना तो पड़ेगा ना डॉक्टर के पास कि हम बैठ के सोचें नहीं मेरा ठीक हो जाएगा. ऐसे ऑपरेट तो करवाना होगा. तुम आज जाओ डॉक्टर के पास या बहुत टाइम बाद जाओ, जितने टाइम बाद जाओगे उतनी दिक्कतें बढ़ेगी. आज ही चले जाओ. Go and just get it operated and get it removed from your body as soon as possible. Okay, that will be the best. Okay, Archana.
So everything, whatever is happening around us, is the bioproduct of our thoughts and the actions. So we need to shift the thoughts and change the actions to experience the excellence from the creation.
Perfect. Love that. Kajal, what's your takeaway?
I'm gonna keep my intention for the day. So we talk about something. Focus on new money instead of
your voice is not coming properly. Say again.
Now is it better?
Yeah.
So I'm saying that I am going to focus on new money instead of chasing the stuck money. And
new money instead of stuck money. Yes.
Below that I wrote that it applies to everything else too. Yeah, so I'm going to apply it to everything in my life.
Love that. Apply it for everything. I simply love that. That means you had an old relationship, for example, and that relationship didn't work. So what? That doesn't mean every single relationship that will come in my life will not work.
Yeah.
That relationship needed to go, but that doesn't mean that nothing is going to. I'll be opening myself for the new relationship, the new experiences that I can have in my life. Dr. Lalan, what's your takeaway from today's session?
Yes, ma'am. Future pacing is the thing that I take away.
Beautiful. Love that.
Yes, ma'am. I never plan for today, tomorrow. मतलब मैं just सिस्टम में रहता हूँ, काम होते जाता है. लेकिन लगता है कि अगर एक वीक का सेलिब्रेट करके आगे बढ़ा जाते, it will work better.
Yes, beautiful. And then you will feel few weeks in the starting, you will see it will go exactly as you have thought. Few weeks will not. But if you keep doing this, there will come a time where exactly what you have future pace, it will happen. Exactly. In the starting, few weeks it will work, few weeks it will be completely different, completely okay. Terror barrier, be in that. Why programming will take over and it will become yours. Perfect. Okay, all right. Thank you so much, all of you. Sending lots of love, and we will meet tomorrow. Right? Okay, let's come together, hug, and then we will go. I have just taken 15 minutes extra. Really sorry for that. Okay. Sending lots of love. Take care. Have a beautiful, beautiful Wednesday. Be in your positive energy and just know that you are magic. You are not ordinary. You are magical. Have that. Know that. Right? Okay. Bye. Take care.